why Missionaries of Charity's foreign fund license was not renewed. Right? This is the big political war over Missionaries of Charity action. Let's first try to understand what the Home Ministry has said. So the Home Ministry says that the renewal application was refused, guess on which date? 25th of December, Christmas Day 2021. This renewal of application was refused. Then the Home Ministry says that the application did not meet eligibility conditions. No request for revision of application has been received. So this rejection happened on the 25th, and the Home Ministry says that so far we have not received any review of this decision. While considering renewal applications, adverse inputs were noticed. Note this word, adverse inputs were noticed, and that seemed to have formed the basis of the refusal to grant permit or renewal. Now, Home Ministry sources also say that the adverse reports on irregularities in audit reports, this has nothing to do with conversion. So far there is a whole theory going on social media that this had to do with illegal conversion, but Home Ministry sources tell NDTV that this is about irregularities in the audit reports. Now, what did Missionaries of Charity say? They say, and that's the statement on the screen right now in just a short moment, that the Home Ministry did not freeze bank accounts. That request came from the Missionary of Charity themselves. Now let's quickly take a look at what the missionary has said. They say the government refused to renew our FCRA license. This is a license which is very important if you want to receive funds from abroad. Since the government is not renewing our FCRA, we asked our people not to operate our bank accounts. We'll only operate our bank accounts after the government clears our FCRA, the basis of our operations. But all of this has led to a huge political fight where Mamata Banerjee was first of the block, and she tweeted and said, shocked to hear that on Christmas, Union Ministry froze all bank accounts, and it is in this response to this tweet that the Home Ministry was forced to issue a clarification. Froze all bank accounts of Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity in India. Their 22,000 patients and employees have been left without food and medicines. While the law is paramount, humanitarian efforts must not be compromised. Shashi Tharoor was not far behind. He says this is indeed shocking. When Mother Teresa wins a Nobel Prize, India rejoices. When her organization serves the poor and the destitute, the government cuts off their funding. Disgraceful. Derek O'Brien says after a filthy hit job on Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity on the 25th of December, Christmas Day, now the MHA is doing, Ministry of Home Affairs is doing what it does best, spin doctoring and a cover-up. India has an opposition that will fight the good fight, and I have a leader who will always stand up for the oppressed. He spoke about Mamata Banerjee. But here are those key questions. While there is an explanation and a counter explanation, an attempt to clear the air, there are key questions. Key question number one, what is the reason why the FCRA application has not been renewed? We still do not know that reason. Unofficially, we are being told that this is about some auditing issue. It has nothing to do with illegal conversion, the allegation that does the rounds. But another key question over here, which is going to be a subject matter of our discussion now, what are these adverse inputs because of which the FCRA application was not renewed? Let's put this to a discussion. Professor Geeta Bhatt, she's a BJP supporter, an RSS supporter. Thank you very much for joining us. We also have Shukendu Shekhar Roy, Rajya Sabha MP of the Trinamool Congress. Mr. Roy, I want to begin with you first. You have heard that there is a statement from the Home Ministry. There is a statement from Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity. Both seem to be playing this down. In a situation like this, why does the Trinamool Congress feel that the action is notorious?
First of all, I would like to clarify that you have mentioned about two statements, one by the Minister of Home Affairs, another by the missionaries of charity.
Yes, sir.
But possibly you are not aware of another statement which was issued by, on behalf of the Archbishop of Calcutta, to whom the missionaries of charity reports. And according to that statement, I quote only 2-3 lines, quote,
We have that
the
statement,
bank
sir.
accounts of missionaries of charity, okay, please go through. In freezing the bank accounts of missionaries of charity, etc., government agencies have given a cruel Christmas gift to the poorest of the poor. And the statement concludes that we condemn the government action against the missionaries of charity and are appalled by the timing and lack of empathy to consider the humanitarian disaster that the decision will cause, unquote. Therefore, Archbishop of Calcutta, to whom the missionaries of charity reports, once they made such a statement, it is natural that the headquarters of missionaries of charity is situated in Kolkata, and Saint Teresa, throughout her life, spent her days in Kolkata and West Bengal particularly to serve the poorest of the poor. That way, all the Calcuttans are concerned, and not only the Calcuttans, but according to me, every right-thinking person should concern about the development. So naturally, being the chief executive of the state, Mamata Banerjee issued a statement based on the statement issued by the Archbishop of Kolkata. So it is, and she said that while the law is paramount, humanitarian efforts must not be compromised. So whatever she said, that the humanitarian consideration must be considered than the other considerations. Now, the second question is, the order was issued on 25th of December. That is a public holiday. Whether government functions on a public holiday or not, I do not know. But the license was valid up to 31st of December. What prompted the government to issue the order on a public holiday, and that too a very vague expression that some adverse inputs were noticed. Did the missionaries of charity get any opportunity of hearing that against you some adverse inputs have been found? These are the adverse inputs. Clarify the position. If the missionaries of charity has failed to clarify the position, naturally action may be taken by the government.
Fair
but
enough.
The principle of natural justice, whether it was maintained or not,
is that
has
you
not
should
been
be
cleared
given
by
a
the
right to
Minister of
explain
Home
yourself.
Affairs.
Okay. Professor Geeta Bhatt, you have heard what Shukendu Shekhar Roy has to say. You have also heard this statement, which by the way we'll put out on the screen of the Archdiocese of Calcutta, Father Dominic Gomes, who says that, and this is a very, very strong statement, we condemn the government action against the MOC and are appalled by the timing and lack of empathy to consider the humanitarian disaster this decision will cause. This latest attack on the Christian community and their social outreach is even more dastardly attack on the poorest of India's poor, who the Missionaries of Charity congregation serves. It's a very strong statement. And don't you think that the manner in which this action has been taken, even though statements have now been released that they only ask for their accounts to be frozen, needs to be answered? Very strong allegation.
Sanketji, you see the Foreign Contribution Regulatory Act 2010 and Foreign Contribution Regulation and Rules 2011 are mandatory for any organization which is seeking monetary assistance from overseas. And Missionary of Charities was getting monetary assistance from overseas, and their license earlier was up to 31st of October, which was given again an extension up to 31st of December. Now, this controversy which has erupted is what is interesting, which you also mentioned, Sanketji, was that this statement has not been issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, neither it has been issued by the organization whose account has not been renewed, that is the Missionaries of Charities. But this controversial statement has come out by a political leader who incidentally is also the Chief Minister of Bengal and is heavily invested at present
while it has come from the TMC, Mr. Shukendu Shekhar Roy has just said that the
Please
party has
give me
pegged
at
its,
least a minute to speak.
the party has pegged its, one moment, Professor Bhatt, the party says that we have pegged our statement on the statement released by the Archbishop.
Well, you see, the Archbishop Father Dominic has issued a statement which again is very surprising to see that such a strong statement he has issued while the missionary of charities themselves are denying. It is rather contradictory to the Vicar General statement.
No,
So
there is
both of
nothing
them, they are being
contradictory, Professor
absolutely
Bhatt.
Contradictory.
What the missionaries of charity have said.
Sanketji, at least give me a minute to speak,
Sure.
at least in flow, and then you can, contradict me. Now, the point is that, TMC and Mamata Banerjee, they are, so going full throttle for the Goa elections that they are ready to compromise on, on facts and
No,
information.
what is this Goa connection?
Just for the sake of
What
the
does this have to do
election.
with
That is
Goa?
That is the reason why this particular statement.
So you are
has
saying
been
that they are
made.
doing this because they want to cater, they want to appease the Christians in Goa. Shukendra Shekhar Roy, quick response, running out of time.
Give me, no, give me, you have not given me enough time. Sanketji, I need to complete my statement,
Yes.
then you can
No, please
ask me
stop
to
her.
counter me.
Please
Please
stop
give me
her.
time to speak.
I cannot shout at her.
Sanketji, please give me
Very
time to
quickly,
speak.
I have run out of
I
time.
have not completed my statement.
15 seconds,
I
please.
have not completed my
The
statement.
problem
You
is
see,
that
please,
is a religious fanatics. BJP is full of religious fanatics, and one of their outfits, they killed Graham Stearns in Odisha along with his two sons.
Okay.
And since then,
Okay,
the
I'm
attack
afraid
on the
I've run out of
Christian
time.
minorities are on. in
But this new
different parts of
allegation
India,
that all of this
and
is being
this
done
is
because
a
of Goa
cover-up.
is very
This a cover-up.
interesting.
This
Will-
is a cover-up. The missionaries
Sanketji,
of
give me
charity-
10
Okay,
seconds.
run out of
I
time.
want to
Charity
add
has
two
been
more
confessed.
things.
Professor Bhatt, run out of time. I'm going to carry on this debate. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. But thank you very much to all our viewers for watching this. Good night and goodbye.